government spokesman, Kanoguna, chair of the Pumwani Hospital Board, Professor Kahara, who's a close friend of mine. He always comes to guide me, being an old member of Nairobi administration and having been the mayor of Nairobi. Superintendent of the Pumwani Hospital and all the doctors present. Task Force Chair, Dr. Kware, who is around. Director and Deputy Director of NMS Health. The MCA of this area, and I think there's also another visiting MCA. Members of the media, good afternoon. It is my pleasure to be here today for the official launching of COVID-19 vaccine. As you are all aware, His Excellency the President's Big Four agenda includes universal health care, and we are doing our level best to ensure that the health services within Nairobi County are improved to the level required. That is why we started building the 24 hospitals within the slums or informal settlement and disadvantaged area. As we started 4 months ago, starting the hospitals, we have already commissioned or officially opened fully operational hospitals, 4 of them. This weekend, we'll be opening 2 more in Gatina and Gishagi. That will make a total of 6, and we'll continue opening 2 almost every week until we finish the 24. Part of the expansion of the hospitals will also include Pumwani Hospital, which we have just finished the normal authorization and procurement procedure. So soon we'll come to break ground for the new level 4 hospital to be built here in Pumwani. So all these efforts are part of His Excellency effort to increase the healthcare in Kenya. And us in Nairobi County, we are doing our level best to ensure that we become the shining example as a county in expanding this program. As you all are aware, as from 7th March this year, Nairobi has reported a total of 48,358 confirmed positive cases of COVID-19, which accounts to 44% of all the cases reported in Kenya since COVID pandemic started on 13th March 2020. A total of 681 deaths have been reported in Nairobi out of the total of 18,661 deaths in Kenya. NMS has isolation facilities at Mama Lucy, Mbagathi Hospital, and Kibera South Health Center. NMS, with support of National Multi-Agency COVID Command Center, has established a testing laboratory at Mama Lucy Hospital. As part of response, NMS has established an emergency operations center which coordinates the response activities. Members of the public can call for assistance 24/7 through a toll-free line, which numbers are 011 000 8608 or 011 000 8609. All cases diagnosed are either admitted to treatment center or placed under home-based isolation, which are closely monitored. Cumulatively, we have 1,736 patients who are under home-based care. There is no cure for COVID, and prevention is key. The preventive measures, as you all are aware, include social distancing, hand washing, wearing a mask. We urge all members of public to continue adhering to these measures. This COVID-19 vaccination will help you from COVID-19 disease. Getting vaccinated protects people around you, particularly people at an increased risk for severe illness. From diseases, COVID vaccination is a safer way to help build protection. NMS has identified 16 facilities to offer vaccination services, and the staff are already trained. For this week, we will start with the following 6 centers: National Spinal Injury Hospital, Mathare Hospital, Moi Airbase Hospital, Mbagathi Hospital, Memorial Hospital, and Kenyatta University Medical Centre, including here at Mutwini, which is the official lounging center. The vaccination will be undertaken in 3 phases. We are currently implementing phase 1, where our target will be health care workers, community health volunteers, and facility support staff who are our frontline workers. Nairobi has been allocated 72,000 doses of vaccine for the vaccination centers within Nairobi. NMS is targeting to vaccinate healthcare workers, both, as the director has said, in public and private sector. This entails around 5,000 healthcare workers in public sector and 22,496 in private sector, an additional 7,300 community health volunteers. The second phase will target those with conditions like diabetes and hypertension, among others, while the third phase will target all other eligible patients. NMS will also continue to provide quality PPEs for all its staff. With those few remarks, it's now my pleasure to officially launch COVID-19 vaccination exercise here in Nairobi, starting with Mutwini Hospital. God bless you and thank you very much.